Products is a major manufacturer of personal care products. We focus in the indoor tanning industry. We own a brand that is second largest in the world. Our prior IT network servicing company was very behind in technology. Kept us behind. It seemed like we were just piecemealed and band-aided together, and we were always down and always having issues. And basically, he pretty much, I think we grew to a size that was behind his organization, and he just dropped us. I mean, literally in the middle of the night, just abandoned us. The life of the company was in jeopardy at that point. Bizco was referred to me by a friend of mine that had, I guess, recently used them or had used them in the past, and I contacted them, I reached out to them, and what impressed me was that when I made that first initial phone call, the individual that I was calling, I could tell that the number was ringing out of the country. And it was a Friday actually afternoon when everything happened, and I was like, I gotta get this fixed by Monday next week. And with all of that, making the phone call, I left a message, and I was very impressed that he had texted me within a few minutes of that call saying that he was out of the country, but returning on Monday, and he would be in my office and there to discuss and see how he can assist.
And we're able to assess what their needs were and laid out a plan to get them to the next level. And we executed that plan extremely quickly because they had some immediate needs that we were able to address. So it was a real success story, I think, on not only the solution, but how quickly we were able to implement that solution and get their business up and running.
I mean, it was pretty scary, and they were they were a great lifeline for us. I mean, they saved us. If anyone in business is looking for an IT provider, or even if you're not, you have to consider Bizco. And more than consider them, use them. They will help you. They will partner with you, and you will enjoy the experience.